we just got the okay to go ahead and move up so they can start loading us. Ah! What a dumbass. So I guess they're moving up. Oh! Shit! One bust ass right here. Check it out. Check it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and move up so we can tie down. Alright. Trusty Dusty. Oh, just two each? One each?
Yeah, one each. So what I do is I wrap it like this.
Yeah.
Go throw it on the other side. Just hook it up and then come back and then start.
Alright, bet. There. Good luck. All right, let's get on this highway, baby. Gee. All right, so we just arrived to the job site where we're getting unloaded. I guess we're gonna go ahead and unstrap right here, and then they're gonna unload us right here. So. ¿Cómo estamos? Bien. Al 100? That shit is sketchy. Check it out, check it out. Woo! Get the fuck out the way, Joe. That shit falls, you're fucked. Alright, let's go. First load, done. Everything went smooth, thank God. Other than me falling, but thank God still. Woke my ass up.